So it looks like Dwayne Johansson wants the back of that bike more than anyone else. Has a bit of a look around. No one can pass him at this point, and he can't pass the motorcycle. Andrew Jackson will wind that motorbike up as they continue around on these laps, and he will pull out with 2.5 laps to go, and then it is on for young and old. It is anyone's race from that point, especially when you have such a stacked field like this one is, Matt. But just being behind the motorbike saves you and conserves your energy in comparison to being a few riders further back.
The motorbike gets out of the way now. Johansson on the front. Here comes the fly from Rafferty. That's what Johansson was hoping for, and he's got it. Now he needs Rafferty to keep the pace on. Rafferty leads. Johansson second. Has a bit of a look. Rafferty, the pace washes off. Where's McMillan? Second last in the line at the moment, McMillan. Rafferty now goes from the front. Rafferty from the front. Johansson has a look. Mack there. Housden, McMillan with all the work to do if he wants to qualify for this one. Dwayne Johansson gets out of the box and kicks down the back straight. Only has to make the top 3. Here comes Tim McMillan. Johansson and McMillan up the home straight. Look at the pace of Tim McMillan. Johansson goes across in second. He'll be happy. And Mack from Malaysia takes third.